nakakaalam ng pagkatao. Insane, insane speech. I argue kasi pangalan ng state. And they've been so close together. We are both struggling pupils, elementary, you have to walk to more than an hour just to a primary school. Because we live in the Baguio or Santiago, Tulan sometimes. But despite of the seeming poverty we had accomplished in a way what we call a modicum success, not only as scholars, but as also later on as good family members. We belong to a family of poor farmer, usually farmers. Nangihiram lang para makapagtanim, pagkatapos ng yun ay almost an exorbitant tawag ng usurious. But we are 7 brothers, and all of us were able to finish with honors from elementary, primary to elementary, and that we all entered the University of the Philippines. I was the first to enter, being the eldest. I graduated in my high school in the town, which is a very small private school, high school. And then he also followed me, but because of some, his youth is one of the, what we call, malikot pag-iisip, because he loves pretty women. He loves to court almost every pretty women in the, kaya marami siya nakakalaban. So he had to transfer to Manila to follow me because palaging away ang pagkama, mapanito. Because he's good in his class, kaya yung mga babae nakatras kanya. Mahilig siya dun sa checks, kaya in a way, mabait siyang bata, mabait siya. But mahilig dun sa babae na malapit. Nagkaroon din, I was able to, he was graduating in the high school, 3rd grading period na natapos na. Punta siya dito, pinag-iusap ko siya sa UP, hindi siya matanggap na. Wala na eh, tapos na. And luckily, I was able to get a place in the Roosevelt Memorial High School sa Marikina. That's why sila tapos na lahat halos ng mga except the youngest, finished the high school in Roosevelt Memorial High School. But because of the, kahit na hindi sila marunong mag-Tagalog, because we have our own dialect in Bacolod and Zambales. Surpass din siya, unang-una. Kararating lang niya, naging assistant editor ng siya ng papers niya sa Roosevelt Memorial. So, kahit hindi siya nakapag-graduate ng high honors, pero nasa honor roll din niya. Kaya mention, he was assistant editor ng Manila papers nila sa high school. And then followed by another Leto, who also passed away last year. Siya ang pinakaunang Pilipinong ipinadala sa Hapon for a scholarship. He studied there for almost 8 years. He speak Japanese very fluent manner. 4 lang sila pinadalang Pilipino scholars. Kagagraduate niya sa UP, being one of the first few graduates na public administration. Because of his grades, kahit na naglalakad lang kami sa, we had to walk from Balara because we rented a small house in Balara just to be near UP. So all of us finished UP. Also, siya ang nag-lead din sa mga younger brothers namin. Of course, Julius is now the Consul General sa Calgary, Canada, is the youngest. He was already born in Balara, so our family already transferred to Balara. sayang si Dahil Mrs. dito sa Roosevelt. All the rest, Ben, Rito, Rosso, all of them, William, all of them. Then, of course, you know, Ben, hindi mo naging secretary siya. Secretary siya ni Ramos. Si William naman, younger brother namin, we fought Rector, Button Drugs. So, sometimes, yung model family kami, our parents were awarded by Roosevelt as parang golden family. Because of the 7 brothers. Inanap nila si tatay, living in a small place where the second young children niya na nandun maliliit pa. Doon sila nahanap ang interview sila. And he was voted the golden family. And then also later, we were awarded the model mother of the year before Philippines. That was awarded. There was a program specially made with Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. Marcelo Fernandez was the one who awarded the Golden Ina Award to my mother for raising children. And without the contribution of Minsing, we could not have accomplished those awards. We could have merited those awards. Because nakita dyan na ito ang unang Pilipino na surpass kahit na kahirapan. Tumaas siya sa kaya ka-accomplish siya, nag-aaral siya sa Japan. He was about to finish his doctorate sa Purdue University after finishing his master's degree in Yokohama. Talagang ganun pala ang tao. Can be at the top there and then later pwede kang bumaba, nangyaring ako ka na, and of course death would come. All those accomplishments meant nothing. Pero there is one thing I can assure you, that he loves his children, every one of you. But he's so happy to have grandchildren. Nakita naman niya. Kaya napaka do anything, kahit na walang tulugan niya, trabaho, so happy work, when he came and managed a business there in Zambales. Of course, being not a businessman but more of a farmer, he loves to stay in the mountains where he had to plant trees and take care of plants and raise chicken and pigs. Kaya importante din yung talagang kung mag-negosyo ka, alam mo yung pasok. Kaya there was some not exactly failure, but hindi siya nag-progress economically. So among the brothers, I can say na hindi siya because iba ang attention niya. He's more of an academic. Gusto niya what is, I cannot match him. Although ako ay abogado, mas magaling siya mag-English sa akin, mas magaling siya sumulat sa akin. That's why when my wife was the first sister-in-law,